Yo, what's up, guys? It's Thomas here, and today we're gonna be checking on the birds again. So, yeah, I just woke up from the most perfect nap. Like, it was like literally an hour ago. So, yeah, it was an hour ago. So, I guess it wasn't that long ago. I don't know. It depends, like, what you guys think. So, we're gonna go check on the birds today. I'm wearing my butterfly t-shirt. So, yeah. Lily's downstairs, but actually, I think until I want to say hi. He hasn't been in a video in a very long time. Hello, say hi, buddy. Say hi. I think that's his way of saying hi. So, yeah, we're gonna go check on the eggs today. And I told you, I wasn't lying, guys. I told you I would make a video today. And just not like at like every single time. Wait till like I'm gonna wait till like it's probably not gonna be able tomorrow because I'm gonna be a little bit busy, but I'm definitely going to try and make a video tomorrow. I'm gonna go check on the eggs right now. Okay. So see if we can go outside. And you guys remember in the last episode where the eggs like fell out of their nest and you know yeah, I don't know what happened. Hopefully the mother bird fixed the nest, unless they've hatched. Whew. Imagine if they hatched. I will actually make a video of that for sure. They haven't hatched yet, but I assume they're gonna get close to hatching. Cause this is like day 8. I think we only have like a few days left to go. So hatching day is gonna happen any day now. Okay. I think I'm safe right here. Need to be careful. Oh, the egg hasn't moved. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh yeah, you guys can see. I'm pretty sure. Oh, little sweat bees. Oh no. I see an egg in there. I definitely see an egg in there. I don't know if you guys can see. I think you guys can see. Wait. Camera in a little bit, you'll be able to see. You can't exactly see it. Okay, let's get away from here. You guys probably don't know this, but I'm scared of bees, okay? But yeah, I saw one egg in there. I mean, the mother bird hasn't come back yet, which is upsetting because shouldn't the mother bird at least check on her eggs like every day or something? Make sure if they're safe, because that is not a good thing for the birds. But so you know. Oh yeah, and tomorrow my aunt is coming over to visit. I think it's only gonna be like a little visit, but she's coming tomorrow. I do have a busy day. I have to go back to my school to pick up my binders and stuff. My mom has to take Lily to the groomer. So, yes, we are very, very busy. So, would you guys consider this being a vlog or no? Do you guys consider these videos as vlogs or no? But they're very tiny eggs, so I'm guessing it's going to be a little bit of a tiny bird. I don't know what kind of bird is very tiny, though, so. And you guys didn't know, this is our backyard. Oh, wait, let me do that. There we go. This is our backyard, so do you guys want to see, like, an episode, like, of, like, real-life Minecraft? That's with, my... So, would you guys like to see a video with, my boyfriend and, Madison? Would you like to us make a Minecraft, like a real life Minecraft episode, or you guys like want us to do like Minecraft as in the game, or you guys want to do a mixture of both? Because we can do that. And also earlier, I was watching some like 15 most beautiful albino animals. So yeah, I do find them very attractive. The albino animals, they're actually really, really cool. Like Pinky the dolphin, which is actually a pink color. I don't know why it's so bright, but... So, yeah. Maybe today I'll do a outro with Donatello. So, what do you guys think we're expecting in the... Can I get Donatello in here? Can I get Donatello in here? I don't know if I can. Oh, he's right there. Donatello, turn around, buddy. Turn around. Can you guys see him? I do not know if you guys can see him. He's right there. So if I just flip the camera around. Hold on. Turn around, buddy. Yes, Spencer's. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell till it goes ding dong, comment down below. What do you think we're expecting? Because I think we're expecting like cardinals. And me and Donatello, we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Donatello, say goodbye, buddy. Say goodbye. Alright, bye guys.